Just ends Monday. It's the only sale that matters. Keep on gaming and hooking up with your mates. Keep on making the odd brew and burning the midnight oil. Keep on getting a little bit more out of life. Switch to a 123 current account and get 3% interest on balances between £3 and £20,000 and up to 3% cash back on household bills. Simple, personal, fair. It's what a bank should be.
Hotel deals on the internet. How can you be sure you found the best offer for you? Use Kayak, the travel tool that searches hundreds of sites and shows you all you need to make the best decision. Stop searching, start finding on kayak.co.uk.
More Fool's Filming in half an hour is up for an Oscar tomorrow night. Asif Kapadia's heartbreaking story of Amy Winehouse in just half an hour. First though, back to Craggy Island where there's mildly offensive language and some very worried sheep.